Hi everybody, Mattias here. I have a new track out called Biome Bird Body. So if you want to listen to the full track, you can go to mattiasholmgren.bandcamp.com. But in today's video we're going to focus on the piano solo and let's talk a little bit about how the piano solo was compiled. So first out, the chorus is D sharp with a G in the bass. Then we have a F with an A in the bass. And finally a D sharp major chord. And that repeats again. So let's fire away the track and let's play that piano solo. Now you'll probably notice that I don't play the piano solo exactly like on the track, but that's the kind of beauty of improvising, but it's almost similar to the original. Okay, so let's replay the piano solo and I'll do a little explanation on the concepts of the playing and a little bit of the thought process. So first out, we begin with the sparse solo intro, which is the major D sharp chord notes, the D sharp, G and A sharp. And we add a D for color, which is the major seventh of D sharp. Add some small trills and flams at the peak, the highest notes, and mixing leaps with a stepwise motion. Returning to common grounds and ending softly with a variation of the solo intro melody. Right, so that's a quick breakdown of the piano solo of Biome Bird Body. I hope you enjoyed the track and please take a listen to the full track at mattiasholmgren.bandcamp.com. And let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!